Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a peach pour on this little wooden disc taped off the back. I'm going to use PPG Manor Hall Satin paint, house paint, mist tint that I got from the store. And yeah, it's slightly bluish, greenish color. So I'm going to add that to the bottom. I'll spin this a little bit just to move it out. And I got a few air bubbles in here, so I'm going to pop them. All right, oops, I lost my skewer. Okay, so the colors I have, this is kind of like an ultramarine blue. Not sure the name of it. I didn't mark my thing, but it looks like ultramarine to me. I've got Calypso teal mixed with iridescent green blue. And I have this little piggy, frost and sea glass and mermaid mixed. I've got a little bit of this here. It's like a teal, a very pale teal. Don't know exactly the color. This is a gold, a metallic gold. This is, what's this? Oh, it's my cell activator. And this is like a pale, goldy, beigey color, sandy color. And a whole lot left here, just showing you how the consistency is. White and black cell activator. Amsterdam. All right. Putting the blue first. Actually, do I have? I'm putting the blue first. Let's go like that. And the Calypso teal. And the sea glass, frost, and mermaid. And this is the lighter one. I'm going to finish using this. Not a whole lot left. Moving it down a little bit. I've got gold next. Actually, I've got a little bit of brulee I'm going to use. I'm just going to put some of that down. Try and finish this off. Oops. Oh, sheesh. The lighter gold. Whoops. Ah. And the darker gold. All right. Oh, you know what? I was going to put sequins on here. I didn't have much brulee, so I'm going to put some sequins, this little piggy sequins mixed with glisten. And I'm just going to kind of drape it over some of the areas. Okay. I'm going to swipe with, where is it? This here. This is my palette knife. I'm going to do 3 swipes. So now, I got the black and the white. I'm going to put black on first for the top. Just sparingly a little in different spots, and then I'm going to fill the spaces with the white. Just knocked a little bit of the cell activator off. And then swipe over the top. So now I'm going to put white on first, then a little bit of black. Got lots of cool cells on that one. Oh, that's kind of cool. Very good. Okay. Now. Too much there. Yeah. I'm gonna go this way now. looking good. I don't think I have enough blue at the top, so I'm just going to add some blue. Right. Okay. Tilt it a little bit. Before I do anything, I'm going to put some more paint on the bottom to help that go over the edge. There's a spot here that needs it. The rest of it's okay. Give it a bit of spin. Okay, that's kind of neat. Just tilting some of it off. There's a lot of paint on here. I see an air bubble here, so I'm going to get rid of that. That's kind of nice. Sorry about that. I'm just tilting some of the excess paint off. Okay. I think that's about it. And I will show you a better close-up of this. All right. Here's a close-up. Oops. I love doing these beach pours.